the fourth week, you will submit the version 1 requirement documentation. However, this is second, and the next week is the third week. And the fourth week is a holiday. You should know that's a national holiday. So there's no class on the fourth week. So the submission for version 1 postponed to the fifth week. Is that clear?
اوكي لاشي.
Okay. This is for the version 1. And today we continue the content of software. Yes, 1 week delayed. Yes, 1 week delayed. For the software engineering. This class is not to teach you how to program. This class actually is to teach you the approach, how to do the software product. It's an approach. This approach is more concerned about the all aspects of the production, not only programming. You should know. So here, as a software engineer, you should have many abilities, not only the coding abilities, but more professional responsibility and others. So today we continue to talk about these issues about professional responsibility. There are several responsibilities for software engineer. The first one is this one. Intellectual property rights. This means engineers should be aware of local law government, the using of intellectual property such as so this like a copyrights are like a copyrights, and they should be careful to ensure that intellectual property of employees and the client is protected. This means if you become a software engineer into the company, you join to the team to do a project, software project. First, all the tools you use, all the IDE you use should be protected by the copyright. You cannot use the correct one, okay? You shouldn't use the formal one. You have the copyright, then you can use it. And your product also be protected by the copyrights. Normally, the product, software product you developed, the copyright normally belong to the client, not you. Okay, you should understand. For the client, you build a software product, then you sold your product to the client. Then the copyright normally belong to the client, not you. You should know this. So this is called property rights. Property rights. And the next one is computer misuse. This means actually when you graduate from the software engineering, you have some ability. Especially you have the ability to programming. So you can do many things that normal people cannot do. So you should ensure that you cannot misuse of your ability. Software engineering should not use their technical skill to misuse other people's computer. Okay, this misuse ranged from relative trivial one, like you use something like this. Your client maybe buy a very powerful computer, very powerful server, like Huawei Cloud. Then you use this server or powerful computer to do other things, like something to do, the Bitcoin, and use the client as a computer to calculate the Bitcoin. No, you cannot do that. Or extremely serious one, like you hacking others' computer, maybe you can leave some backdoor to your client, or you illegally to control your client's computer, even to destroy the system. No, you cannot do this. This is the responsibility of computer misuse. And for the this responsibility, some organization, I mean the international organization, have their own standard. Their own standard. They already have some standard. This standard defined by ACM. Okay, ACM is come from the USA, American Computer. Okay, and IEEE. These are two biggest society organization in the world. IEEE and ACM, all about the computer. They have defined the code of ethic, ethic. So as a software engineers, you should follow this code of ethic. Let me explain. The professional society, this means ACM and IEEE. For me, I am the member of ACM, and also I am the member of IEEE. One day, you may become the member of ACM, also a member of IEEE. This is very good, very good. The professional society in US.
Larshi, what does it mean to become a member of ACM or IEEE?
For now, you are student, right? You are student. You can register as a student member. A student member is for free. You can easily join them, but you do not have the right to do the election to get the material from the this organization. You have no right to join to the conference from this organization as a student member.
No, Larshi, I was asking something different. Like, I thought that ACM and IEE were just a set of rules that everyone must follow and that are enforced. But I did not know that this was an organization that people become members of.
Normally, these two organizations only accept the major ranged from computer science and electronic engineering, two. Only these two, ACM and IEEE, only accept the computer science, software engineering, and electronic engineering major from this. And after you graduate, you can applying for the member, and it's in charge. You should pay for the member fee. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So US has cooperated to produce so-called code of ethical practice. Members, okay, members like me, I am members. Members of this organization sign up to the code of ethics when they join, okay, when they join. And the code of ethics contain, everyone, 8 principles related to the behavior of and the decision made by the professional software engineers. This including everyone, practitioners, educator, manager, supervisor, and policymaker, as well as trainees and like you, students of the profession. Okay, for this code of ethics, they also launch a conference, international conference. This conference start from maybe before 2000, and this very interesting here. In 2007, this code of ethical conference, international conference, are held in China, Kunming in a university. Okay, 2007. Okay, here. And let me introduce the content of code of ethics principle. There are 8 principles. The first one, the public aspect. The software engineer shall act consistently with